Hey guys, Tim here with FD Equipment Sales. 2024 John Deere 320P Backhoe. This unit's sitting at 59 hours on it. Comes equipped with a 4-in-1 bucket, extend-a-hoe, 4x4 with a winter tire package on it and the lighting package as well. It's got a transferable warranty from the dealer, enclosed cab, heat, AC, all the bells and whistles. Literally nothing on this one for hours. We're listed at $189,985 and it can be viewed at fdequipmentsales.com, or you can reach me directly at 778-269-2566 to set up a viewing. Hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure you're getting these listings.